everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a really delicious creamy raspberry salad dressing that has no added oil. This is really an easy dressing to make. All you do is add all of your ingredients to a blender or a food processor, process it until it's smooth, and you're done. Okay, our basis is going to be a half a cup of white beans of choice. These are Great Northern beans. They need to be completely cooked. They could be canned or ones that you've cooked from dry. It does not matter. Then we want 1 tablespoon of whole hemp seeds. Sorry about that. We want 1/4 cup of raspberries. Now these are raspberries that I had in the freezer, and so they're a little watery, but that really doesn't matter. Actually, that'll help them out a little bit. And then in this container, I have 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar plus 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. If you want it more tart than that, you can always add more vinegar. If you want more raspberry flavor, you can add more raspberries, but make it first and taste it. Then for a little bit of saltiness to enhance the flavor, I have 1/2 of a stalk of celery, and then I have 2 dates. Now these are the smaller Deglet Nor dates. I'm just putting them in there whole. You could use medjool dates if you want. If you use 2 of those, it may be more sweetener than what you need. Who knows? And then we've got 1/2 cup of unsweetened apple juice, and that's going to add our liquid to this and smooth it out. So now I'm going to blend this up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's blended. Here's our blended dressing, and let me tell you, this jar is really full. And this is good served on any fruit salad or a green salad of your choice. And again, if you want more tartness, you can add more vinegar. If you want more raspberry flavor, add more raspberries. You can adjust this your way, but it's so easy to make and so yummy. The recipe is below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Bye for now.